Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and let's talk about organic. What comes to your mind when you hear the word organic? Does it have a good ring to it? Will you buy it? Nowadays, consumers are more wary of the products they use. They no longer focus only on the benefits of these products, but also considers its possible environmental impacts. In the case of farming, various concerns arise due to the harmful effects of continued use of synthetic chemical fertilizers on the environment. Because of this, organic fertilizers gained popularity in the recent years. However, nutrient management and organic fertilizer inputs for both the organic farms and those under conversion are lacking. So, to address this problem, Dr. Basilda M. Calub, a researcher from the College of Agriculture and Food Science in UPLB, developed a new organic fertilizer which aims to benefit the farmers by increasing their crop productivity and profitability while reducing their dependence on costly synthetic fertilizer. And it is called NaturaGrow Fertilizer. So what is this, you say? It is a liquid organic plant supplement made from fermented cacahuate extract, banana corm, and fish emulsion for the improved flowering and fruiting of various plants. It may be applied through soil drenching or foliar spraying. In general, organic fertilizers are gentle in nature as they consist of NPK ratio below 10. This means that they will not burn roots and foliage, unlike chemical fertilizers. However, organic fertilizers take long periods of time to break down, so nutrients may not be released as soon as needed. To solve this problem, the present invention utilized the fermentation of plant and animal extracts. Since fermentation degrades organic fertilizer prior to application, this will result to the early release of macro and micronutrients in the solution. So what are the features of this product? These are the actual results of the study conducted for the development of this fertilizer. Field validation was done to evaluate the efficacy of the organic plant supplement. It was found that the germination rate and mean marketable yield increased, while plant mortality decreased after the application of this invention to the existing organic practices. As you can see in the graph, field testing was done in UPLB and Quezon. Interestingly, presence of lactic acid bacteria and yeast can be observed after fermentation. Lactic acid bacteria, when inoculated into the soil, increases rate of release of nutrients, while yeast increases the nitrogen and phosphorus content of roots and shoots of tomato. The results of the chemical composition of the fertilizer shows that it is at par with the known brand already present in the market. So given these information, what are the potentials of this organic fertilizer in the market? First, there is an increased demand for organic food. Why? People are becoming more health conscious and shift their preference to organic food. In fact, from 2011 to 2017, a total of 349,041 hectares of agricultural area was converted into organic farming in the Philippines. Furthermore, since the population is rapidly increasing, there is a pressure to maximize the production for food security, while of course aiming to minimize the negative impacts to the environment. With this, some Filipino farmers modified their farming practices through the use of fertilizers. In addition, organic vegetable production is the system that does not use costly synthetic and harmful toxic chemicals to produce fresh vegetables. And the vegetable sector in the Philippines has a lot of potential in terms of growth. In 2016, 182,552 hectares of land produce 1.5 million metric tons of fresh vegetables with a yield of 8.58 tons per hectare. So to summarize, this cacahuate fertilizer utilizes locally available raw materials, making it cheaper compared to commercially available synthetic fertilizers. With a decrease in production cost and increase in crop yield, this will definitely increase the farmer's income. So that's it for our NaturaGrow fertilizer. Thank you very much.